Welcome to your English class. My name is Teacher Rhoda and I will be your teacher today. For my Module 5 students, we will be using this book, Bridge 5. And in today's video, we are going to learn the difference between using has and have been versus has and have gone. Are you ready? Let's start. Hello, welcome to your English class with Teacher Rhoda. Today we are going to learn about has been, have been, has gone, and have gone. This is a very easy lesson, and I am sure you can easily understand this. Been and gone. What is the difference if I say, I have been to school? I have gone to school. Are they the same? Now, been is the past participle of the verb to be. Past participle meaning verb 3. Gone is the past participle or verb 3 for the verb to go. I'll give you an example. Look at the picture. Mr. Jones isn't here at the moment. I am waiting for Mr. Jones. He has gone to the hairdressers. That means Mr. Jones has not returned yet. Another example. Now Mr. Jones is back. He has been to the hairdressers, meaning he has returned. So, gone and been. Has been or have been is used when a person has visited a place and has come back. Has gone and have gone is used when a person is visiting a place and hasn't come back yet. Let's have more examples. Example number 1. I am so sorry I am late. I have blank to the dentist. So meaning this person went to the dentist and now comes back and tell you, I am sorry I am late, everyone. So the correct answer here is I have been to the dentist. Next, there's nobody at home. I think they've blanked away for the weekend. Now look at this example. I think they've blanked away from the weekend, meaning they have not returned yet. So the correct answer here is they have gone away for the weekend. Example number 3. You look very dark. Have you blanked on a holiday? This sentence means that you are looking at this person right now and he looks very dark and you are asking him, where have you been? Have you been on a holiday? All right. Next. Simon isn't here at the moment. So Simon isn't here at the moment. He is blank to a football match. So Simon has gone to a football match. Next. Let's answer the activities from your book. Activity I. Study 1.3 of the grammar reference on page 109 if you don't understand the explanation of this video. Question number 1. John will be able to tell you about Japan because blank there. He has been or he has gone there. Assuming that John has already returned from Japan and he can tell you everything about Japan, the answer here is because he has been. He has been to Japan and now John is back. Number 2. She blanked to Spain, but she'll be back next week. So, she isn't back yet. She's still in Spain. You say she has gone. Number 3. They blanked to the Fiji Islands twice, and they say it's great for a vacation. So meaning, they have returned. You will say they have been to the Fiji Islands. Number 4. Karen and Lucy blanked to the museum, so we'll see them later. So Karen and Lucy haven't returned yet, so you will say they have gone to the museum. So that's it for today. I hope you understand about the use of have and been, and it's been a pleasure to be your teacher for today. If you have further questions, you can always contact me on the links below. Have a good day and enjoy learning English. Goodbye.